Layan and Zaid discover how glass is made. Written by Lina Al-Khatib. To every little dreamer who's peered through a window and wondered how is something so clear, so strong, and so shiny even possible? The broken jar. Layan and Zaid were playing with slime. Crash! The glitter jar fell. "Oh no," said Layan. "My glitter is gone." Zaid looked at the broken jar. "It broke like magic," he said. "What is glass made from?" Layan smiled. She took out her glowing crystal. "This is the crystal key," she said. She put it in the inventionator. Zaid pressed the shiny window button. Whoosh! Sand and light spun all around them. The sparkling desert. They landed in a golden desert. The sand sparkled in the sun. A camel with shiny goggles walked to them. "You want to know the secret of glass?" he asked. "Yes," said Layan. "We heard it starts with sand." The camel smiled. "Glass starts with special sand," he said, "but it must go through fire." He led them to a crystal mountain. The fire and the phoenix. Inside they saw fire dancing. A glowing phoenix flew above the flames. "Hello," she said. "I am Pyra." She opened the furnace with her wings. "Watch," she said. White sand was poured into a pot. The fire got very hot. Zaid gasped. "It's melting," he said. "Yes," said Pyra. "Melted sand becomes glass." They saw the glass poured into shapes. Pyra drew a butterfly in the air. It turned into glass. Pyra gave them each a glass marble. "This is your memory sphere," she said. Whoosh! They were back in their room. The sun shone through the window. Rainbows danced on the wall. Zaid held his marble. "Glass comes from sand," he said. Layan smiled. "Yes, melted, shaped, and cooled." Zaid looked at his toy car. "It's not glass, it's plastic." He blinked. "Layan, how is plastic made?" Layan picked up the crystal key and grinned. "Let's find out." "Try it yourself. Make sugar glass with help." You can't melt sand at home, but you can make something like glass using sugar. You will need 1 cup sugar, 1/3 cup water, 1 tablespoon corn syrup, a small pot, a stove, ask an adult, a tray covered with foil or baking paper. Steps: ask an adult to help. Pour the sugar, water, and corn syrup into the pot. Heat it on medium until it starts bubbling. Let it boil until the color turns light golden. Carefully pour it onto the tray. Let it cool completely. Once it's hard, you can snap it like glass. What's happening? Hot sugar melts and becomes clear and hard, just like real glass made from sand.